When you first arrive in the US, you'll have a lot of things to do and purchases to make. The first step is setting up a bank account so you have access to US currency. A bank account will help you keep your finances organized and will make paying expenses like rent and utilities easy. There are many different banks to choose from, but we recommend setting up your account with PNC Bank. They have a location on campus in TUC, and their staff have worked with international students before, so they'll be able to answer your questions. In the US, people rarely carry cash and usually pay with a credit or debit card when they make a purchase. A debit card is linked directly with your bank account. Money is taken from your account usually within a day. However, if you do need cash, you can use your debit card at an ATM. When you make purchases with a credit card, you're essentially promising to pay back the amount later. If you wait longer than 1 month to pay back the balance, you'll be charged a percentage of what you owe, known as interest, on top of your balance. Credit cards have a wide variety of interest rates, fees, and even potential perks, so you'll want to do research before you get one. Remember, when you make a purchase, sales tax is not usually included in the price. That means when you go to pay for the item, it will cost more than what was indicated on the sticker. You can check the sales tax rate online or check your receipt after you make your purchase. In Ohio, food is not always taxed, but restaurants still have a few different rules. If you order your food to go, it won't be taxed. If you choose to dine in at a restaurant, the tax is applied. In the US, it's also customary to leave a tip for your waiter when you eat at a restaurant. Your tip should be about 15 to 20% of the total bill. Other places where you might tip include ride shares, bars, hairdressers and salons, and food delivery. In addition to sales tax, all international students are required to file an annual state and federal income tax report, even if you don't make any money while you're here. Income tax reports are due every year in April. For more information on how this works, visit the UC International Services website.